Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Unice Hair. We love collaborating with Unice Hair. We do pretty often on TikTok as well as YouTube. Today what I have installed is a Glueless 7x5. This is actually in the chestnut brown color. As you can see, it has the dark root with the chestnut ends. This is one of the fluffiest wigs you'll ever get, and it just has so much hair. And you can see she's worn gluelessly, so you can just take it off at the end of the night. And it literally can be installed in just a second. First off, fresh out of the box, this is what she's giving. Ooh, look how bouncy. It's gonna give big hair. I need that. You know, tint the lace a little bit. So let's just go in and apply some lace powder. Did that do anything? I don't know. And I'm not going to be wetting down the curls because I want to leave it in its natural state, like how it comes. Look at the little thin strap. I love that. I like to put it pretty much all the way. Okay, so a few things that I want to do. It's not very many things you need to do, but I'm going to go ahead and open up the part a little bit more. So I'm going to use some powder that looks like, you know, skin tone. You don't have to do this at all, but if you do, it's just gonna make it look more natural and more realistic because it does come a little straight, you know? So go ahead and just take a few seconds and thin out that hairline just a little bit. So the trick with the Burmese curly, because you can see the ends are curled, right? So you don't necessarily want to disturb that. So I like to just go in from the top and fluff it out. I'm gonna open a few of them, but not all of them. If you guys are hearing loud noises in the background, sorry, they're doing like yard work and stuff. Okay, right here it's a little frizzy, so I'm just gonna spray some spray right there. Okay, and because that curl got disturbed, I'm gonna recurl it, twist it around, and then pull it out. And you can see that it gives you that Burmese curl. That's the easiest way to recurl the hair. Spray something like conditioner or water. And cut it a tiny bit, and then take the hair and start wrapping it around. That's the easiest way to get that curl pattern. Last thing, we pull the drawstring. It's gonna fall. Is it gonna slip off? Is it gonna move? Nope, it's still in place. And guess what, girls? She's glueless, okay? Honestly, it's just perfect. I can't say anything bad about it. So when you get this wig, these are some of the things that I would do if I were you when you get it, because it makes a huge difference. Gel, slick it down. and there we have it. Couple styles that you can try at home with your closure wig. Just because this is 7x5 does not mean you can't get away with an updo. The lace actually lays pretty flat without it being secured. I'm not even wearing any tapes, guys, and that's just what it's looking like. Look how beautiful that hairline is. I plucked the tiniest bit of hairs out of that hairline and used a hot comb and slicked it back, and that's what it's giving. If you love big fluffy hair, you're going to love this wig. This is not a wig that has, you know, low density. It has a lot of hair. Like, do you see this? If I comb it out more, it's gonna get even fuller. It gives SZA, honestly. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of hair. Wow, like that is insane. Yeah, we love that. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out before you go. I'll catch you guys in another video sometime soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.